Ready to unlock mind-blowing edits on your Android phone that used to take hours on a computer? First, download Luma AI from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. To import a photo, tap the Import button, typically found on the main screen. This will open your device's gallery, allowing you to select the photo you want to edit. Explore the app's editing tools. Luma AI offers a range of options, including adjustments for lighting, color, and various AI-powered effects. Experiment with each to see what they do. Let's try a quick edit. Tap on Effects and choose Sky Replacement. Luma AI will intelligently detect the sky and allow you to swap it out with different options. Adjust the blend and intensity for a natural look. Use the before and after slider to compare your edited image with the original. This helps you see the impact of your changes and fine-tune your edits. Finally, tap the Export button to save your masterpiece. Choose your desired resolution and format, then save it to your phone's gallery or share it directly to social media. Congratulations, you've edited your first photo with Luma AI.